We are living in unprecedented times, and a lot of people are feeling weary, anxious, unsure. When I'm tired, I like to tune out the world, dig into the Word, and spend time being still. Today, I want to share my me time routine of skincare, hair care, and more. This is what I do to unwind and pamper myself. Whatever season you find yourself in, remember, for nothing will be impossible with God. A portion of today's video is sponsored by Kinsey. Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'm going to be sharing my updated Pamper self-care routine. I haven't done one of these in a minute, and on the weekends, like on Sundays, I really love to relax, do my hair care, my skincare, my body care, just everything. So I figured today I would share some of my updated favorites, and this is like a just relax, hang out with me, do skincare. First things first, let's talk about hair removal. This is one of the most asked questions I get. I always get so many questions about facial hair with makeup and body hair in general, and how to avoid ingrowns and stuff like that. When I'm in the shower, I exfoliate my entire body, and then I shave any unwanted hairs, and I go in with my Kinsey IPL handset. This is a laser hair removal at-home system, so it just plugs right in. I'm gonna do it right now and show and share with you guys. I've talked about this a few times on my social media platforms, and it is a must. I've been using this little guy since last spring whenever lockdown and everything happened, because I had tried professional hair removal before and it was really expensive. It hurt really bad. And then with razors, you get ingrowns, you can get bumps, your skin can have discoloration, like especially in my underarms, which I'm gonna show you in a minute. My underarms would get so discolored and it's really embarrassing. I didn't like it. So I decided to try Kinsey last year and I love it. Once you do 12 treatments, you do it once a week. Once you do 12 treatments, you really only have to maintain it a few times a year. I'm gonna show you how easy it is. I can do my entire body in under 10 minutes. It's really fast. So once you plug it in, the power button is on the back. So this is what it looks like. And you can see the little power button right here. So there are 5 different settings, but they all work the same. Don't feel like you need to do the highest setting by any means. So I'm gonna put mine on 3. It's really all about preference. I do a mixture of the two. So I'm gonna show you the glide feature on my hand. Make sure it's pressed firm against the skin. And then it goes automatically. And it does not hurt. You might feel a little heat, but it doesn't hurt at all. Trust me, doing professional, I could not believe how easy and fast this was. So on my underarm, I'm gonna use the press feature. You can use it all over the body. You can even use it on the face. So I like to do it in this area where I get like peach fuzz. So I use a little facial razor and then I'll go in with this. You can even use it on your upper lip, which I'm going to do. I saw results in 3 to 4 weeks. So by week 4, I noticed that my hair was just getting thinner and wasn't growing back. And I was just really surprised at how easy it was. I feel like that's the biggest thing. Like as women, we have hair, we have makeup, we have nails, we have so much. My underarms were probably one of my favorite areas to see results in, because I would have to shave my underarms like every other day because I would hate like the stubble. It's just super annoying to me. So my underarms is one of those areas I was like, this is incredible. Another thing I love is it helps with dark spots and hyperpigmentation, like I talked about with my underarms, is they're so much brighter than they were before. When I used to shave, I would always get bumps and I just never really felt comfortable with my underarms. Laser made it so much easier. Another thing that's really cool is it doesn't leave your skin red. Like I just did it even on my face and my skin is very sensitive. It doesn't leave your skin red or irritated. Check the description bar for a link to Kinsey, as well as I'll have my discount code here for $50 off. I have other videos as well where I've talked about this. I'll link those as well down below. I have a whole Q&A on this little guy. I'm all for anything that will make my routine faster and not having to shave has saved me so much time. So I'm gonna make a hair oil mask. I like to do this an hour or so before I wash my hair or the night before. I'm gonna wash my hair tomorrow, so I'm gonna sleep in this hair mask. So I'm gonna make a mixture of my favorite oils. I'm gonna use castor oil, jojoba oil, and then peppermint and tea tree essential oils. Tea tree is great for your scalp, and the peppermint is just really refreshing and also good for your scalp, but it feels so good. I'll link all of the oils, everything I use down in the description bar. So I'm gonna add quite a bit. So this is gonna go from roots to ends. You wanna make sure if you're gonna use something like castor oil that is really heavy, that you have a good clarifying shampoo whenever you wash your hair, especially if you have more oily hair. I have drier hair because my hair is super curly. So for me, I can do this and my hair just soaks up all the moisture. I also have a silk pillowcase that I use for my hair, and I'm just going to drench my hair in this. Sometimes I'll do a rice water rinse as well in the shower. I can do a separate video on that in the future, but I make a rice water rinse with grapefruit rinds and some essential oils, and that's also great. For anyone that's been following me for a year, I cannot believe how long my hair has grown. It's insane. Last year, like this time last year, my hair was like up to here, and now my hair is so long. All I've done is change what I eat, the nutrients and supplements, the natural things that I take, and do these oil masks in my hair. I wash my face in the shower, and now I'm gonna go in with my DIY homemade matcha face mask. I love making different kinds of face masks at home. This one has matcha, honey, aloe vera, tea tree, and lavender essential oils. Oh, and also jojoba oil. And then all you have to do is whisk it, mix it together, and then you can put it on the skin. I love matcha to drink, and it's also really good for your skin as well, and it's my favorite color, which is green. So all I'm gonna do is put this on the skin. I wash off my matcha mask and put on these little eye jellies. These are gonna hydrate the under eye area. They feel really good. They're just so relaxing. I love these little eye masks. And then I made a little lemon and mint water. I have this little sweet mint plant that I've been growing, and she's so big now. I got it as a little baby, and now she's so big. So I put a little hydrating lemon and ice water, minding your own business and staying hydrated. One of my favorite things to do when I pamper myself is my facial steamer. So I'm gonna take this little essential oil basket that my steamer comes with, and I'm gonna add peppermint and tea tree oil. Whenever I get really bad headaches, I do peppermint oil, and it helps to clear up your sinuses, everything. It's also great if you get headaches a lot. And then the tea tree oil is really good. It's an antiseptic, so it's really good for your skin. So I'm just gonna add a drop of each. And then all you have to do is touch it on, and it'll heat up, and then we will be in Zen mode. This is like having a little spa at home. It's one of my favorite things to do, is just, it's so good. And it's really good to plump up the skin, hydrate the skin. With essential oils, it's a whole nother level. All right, so now I'm gonna take these little guys off, and I'm gonna add my skin essence and my skin serums. I'm gonna take this Pearl and Rose essence. This brand, Agent Nature, was one of the new brands I discovered this year, and I love so many of their products. So I'm gonna take this essence, and just has a little spray. I'm gonna spray a couple sprays. Oh, it smells so good. Their formulas are incredible. They're packed with so many vitamins and good ingredients. And I'm just gonna press that into the skin. Then I'm gonna add some ginger and vitamin C. This is a serum shot. I always try to incorporate some kind of vitamin C into my skincare every single day. It helps with brightening and discoloration. dark spots. It helps to brighten the skin and to nourish the skin. Now I'm gonna take this facial serum oil. This has been my go-to oil in the evenings as well as in the mornings before my makeup. It's a great primer before makeup as well. So I'm gonna go in, and this is what it looks like. I'm gonna go in with a little bit more than usual because I'm going to use a Jade Roller to massage it. Not only is it relaxing, but it also is great for lymphatic drainage to push everything to the outer perimeters and flush it out of the skin. So now I'm taking my eye serum, which is also from Agent Nature, and just massage the under eye area. This is great for under eye bags. It's great for puffiness. And I just push everything outwards. You can also go under the eyes and kind of drag it downwards. So for my skin, the last thing that I do is a facial mist. This is a Dewy facial mist. I keep this in my skincare fridge. I'll link my fridge that I use down below, and it makes everything cold. Like, this is a cold, and it helps with inflammation and helps to calm the skin. And my skin being very sensitive, this is so good at just calming down any redness on my skin. Last but certainly not least is fragrance. I am obsessed with fragrances, so I like to go in with a body oil, body lotion, one of those, and some perfume. This is my current holy grail of body oils. It says Ageless Body Serum, but it's actually a body oil. It smells amazing. It smells so green. This is what it looks like. It's a body oil, and it makes your whole skin just glow, and it is just my favorite. I notice my skin is so hydrated after using it. I always get questions on perfumes because I have a lot of them. I love perfume. So this is what I'm using today, Black Saffron by Byredo. It smells amazing. I like warmer fragrances that are a hint feminine, but like very powerful. And this one, like, it's just incredible. I hope you guys enjoyed my updated pamper routine, my self-care and skincare. I'll link every product that I used down in the description bar, as well as Kinsey, the IPL laser hair removal set I mentioned at the beginning of this video. So make sure to check that out, as well as my discount code for $50 off. Comment down below and let me know your favorite part about your pamper routine. Is it skincare? Is it hair care? Is it face masks? Comment down below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will catch you in my next video.